My name is Dr. Karen Milstein, and I am the clinical geneticist at Lancet Laboratories. You are pregnant and may be feeling different emotions and have many questions. Regarding screening of your pregnancy, it is possible to find out about some chromosomal problems before your baby is born. This is done by NIPS, non-invasive prenatal screening, also known as cell-free DNA screening. NIPS can be done as early as 10 weeks of pregnancy and involves obtaining a blood sample from the mother like a regular blood test. There is no risk of pregnancy loss with NIPS. It looks at the baby's DNA, which is circulating in the mother's blood. The human body is made up of trillions of cells which contain chromosomes, made up of DNA, which carries genetic information. We all have 23 pairs of chromosomes. The first 22 pairs are called autosomes, and the 23rd pair are the sex chromosomes, which are the X and Y chromosomes. Males have one X and one Y chromosome. Females have two X chromosomes. Chromosome problems usually occur by chance. Older mothers have an increased risk of chromosome problems. NIPS gives information about the commonest chromosomal conditions, but not all of them. NIPS screens for trisomy 21, Down syndrome, trisomy 18, Edward syndrome, trisomy 13, Patau syndrome. It also screens the X and Y chromosomes. NIPS is more accurate than other available screening tests. It has the highest detection rate and the lowest false negative rate. Results of NIPS. A result is usually available within 10 days of the blood test. A negative NIPS screening result means that the likelihood that the condition is present is low. A positive NIPS screening result indicates that the chance of the condition being present is higher, but is not absolute. In this case, more testing would be needed in the form of invasive testing, either chorionic villus sampling, CVS, or amniocentesis. Invasive diagnostic procedures carry a small risk of miscarriage. In a small percentage of cases, there is no result, or a failed result, or a no-call result. This may be due to insufficient DNA from the pregnancy in the mother's blood, or may be indicative of a chromosomal problem not included in the screen. In these cases, invasive diagnostic testing is recommended. NIPS testing is done through your obstetrician, who will obtain a copy of your result. Depending on the result, he or she will coordinate further management.